Picture this. You are staring at your car insurance renewal notice, your heart sinking at the premium amount. You think to yourself, there must be a better way. Maybe you are considering cutting your coverage to save money, even though the thought of being underprotected keeps you up at night. I get it. We have all been there. But what if I told you there is a way to have your cake and eat it too? Hi, I am Jiten Modi, and after spending 2 decades helping people navigate the complex world of insurance, I have discovered something shocking. Most people are silently overpaying for their car insurance without even realizing it. Today, I am going to share insider secrets that insurance companies do not want you to know. Legitimate ways to save money while staying fully protected. Let me tell you about Rahul, a school teacher who was paying rupees 25,000 annually for his car insurance. Like you, he thought this was just the cost of being responsible. After implementing the strategies I am about to share, his premium dropped to rupees 18,000. That's a 28% saving, while actually improving his coverage in critical areas. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Let us dive into these money saving secrets, starting with the most overlooked opportunity, timing your purchase. Did you know that buying or renewing your policy at certain times of the year can save you up to 20%? Insurance companies have targets to meet, just like any business. That is right. Time is right. Time it right, and you could score significant discounts that most people never know about. Next, let us talk about the mysterious no claim bonus. Think of it as a reward for safe driving that can slash your premium by up to 50%. But here is what insurance agents often forget to mention. Your NCB is transferable. Whether you are buying a new car or switching insurance, that discount belongs to you. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Now, about those add-ons. They are like toppings on a pizza. Some enhance the whole experience, while others just add unnecessary cost. Zero depreciation coverage, that is like cheese, essential for most people. But engine protection in a flood-free zone, maybe not so much. I'll help you identify which add-ons actually add value for your specific situation. Here is a powerful strategy most people miss: the deductible game. By choosing a higher voluntary deductible, you could significantly lower your premium. But, and this is crucial, you need to know exactly how much deductible makes sense for your financial situation. Too high and you are taking unnecessary risk. Too low and you are leaving money on the table. Let me share another story that hits close to home. Meet Priya, a single mom who thought she was being smart by choosing the cheapest insurance available. Then came the accident. Nothing major, just a fender bender. But her low cost insurance turned into a nightmare of rejected claims and endless paperwork. Do not let this be your story. Instead, let us talk about smart ways to reduce your premium while enhancing your protection. First, bundle your policies. Combining car insurance with other policies can unlock substantial discounts. Second, install security devices. Certain anti-theft installations can earn you up to 10% off your premium. 3. Compare intelligently. Not all insurance quotes are created equal. 4. Optimize your IDV. Find that sweet spot between premium cost and adequate coverage. But here is what keeps me up at night: the cost of waiting. Every day you delay implementing these strategies is money lost forever. Think about it. A rupees 5,000 annual saving means rupees 25,000 over 5 years. That's a family vacation, your child's school fees, or a significant addition to your investment portfolio. And it is not just about money, it is about peace of mind. It is about knowing that if something happens on the road, you are truly protected, not just theoretically covered. So, here is what I want you to do right now. First, pull out your current policy. Yes, right now. I will wait. Second, look at your premium amount. Remember Rahul's 28% saving? That could be you. Third, check your NCB percentage. Are you making the most of these benefits? Fourth, review your add-ons. Are you paying for coverage you do not need? But most importantly, do not do this alone. Click the link in the description and fill out a quick assessment form. Why? Because everyone's situation is unique. Your car, your driving habits, your financial situation, they all matter in crafting the perfect balance between cost and coverage. Here is my promise to you. We will analyze your current coverage and show you exactly how much you could save while maintaining or even improving your protection. No gimmicks, no cutting corners, just smart proven strategies that work. Remember, smart insurance is not about paying the lowest premium. It is about getting the best value for your money. Do not let another renewal cycle pass without implementing these money saving strategies. I am Jiten Modi and I am passionate about helping people like you save money while compromising without compromising protection. Fill out that form today. Let us turn your insurance from a dreaded expense into a smart investment in your security. Because at the end of the day, it is not just about saving money. It is about driving with confidence, knowing you have made the smart choice for you and your family. Let us make it happen together.